show how to use the Navigator in Flutter. Navigator will be used to displaying the different type of information in the app. For example, an app might have a screen that have display product, when the user taps the images of the product, a new screen display detail about the product. In Android, a route is equivalent to activity, and in iOS, the route is equivalent to the view controller. In a Flutter, route is just a visit, and we will use this in our example how to you navigate one screen to another screen by navigator visit. In main.dart, it will call the home page screen, and I will go through home page to home detail page by using the Navigator.push method, and go back from home detail page to home page by Navigator.pop. On home page, there is a button with the text with the open detail page. Use the Navigator.push. Pass the context. Use the material page route context, and create the home and use the home detail page visit. And in a home detail page, I will use the Navigator.pop to back to the again home page. Let's run this code. This is a home page, and in Dash UI there is a button, and it's click. I will use the Navigator.push. In home detail page, I will use the Navigator.pop. Now it's run on the Android emulator. Click on home detail page. You can see that it opened the home detail page, and its go back button, it will call the Navigator.pop, and it's back to the home page again. I will use the material app theme, so it will automatically place the back button on the app bar. So when you click on that, it will also work as a Navigator.pop. Thank you.